How to track debt payments in YNAB. First of all, open the app and make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the plan option from the bottom bar. Here you will see a list of your budget categories and subcategories. Start by locating your debt account such as credit card, loans or other outstanding balances. If you haven't added them yet, tap the account button to include them in your budget. To record a debt payment, tap on plus transaction. Enter the amount you paid, select the payee, for example, your credit card company or loan provider, and choose the inflow transaction type. Assign it to the correct debt category so YNAB can track your progress. If you want to pay down multiple debts, you can assign specific amounts to each category. YNAB will update your remaining balance automatically, showing how much you still owe and how much you have paid so far. For recurring debt payments, you can also use scheduled transactions to automate monthly entries. This ensures your budget reflects future payments and keep your plan accurate. Now you know how to track debt payments in YNAB. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.